God's Kitchen. Yep, those are birds. Mother. So I love bacon, which might be kind of weird because I'm a vegan, but I feel like everyone loves bacon. It's one of those like universally loved foods, and there's gotta be like the quintessential bacon recipe. The other week we tried the tofu all the ways, and today I thought we would go head to head. Which type of vegan bacon is the best? We have rice paper, we have eggplant, we have carrot, and we have daikon. Let the games begin. All right, so before we get into that, let's talk about today's sponsor, Complement. You guys have seen these guys before. I love them, they're great. So Complement's an amazing vegan-run, vegan-owned company. They create supplements that are optimized for plant-based eaters. So they have these vitamins called Essentials. It contains the 8 critical vitamins and minerals that are harder to find if you're not really like planning out your plant-based eating. So you can just take those every day and kind of set it and forget it. Their products are clean and science-based and will help you optimize your healthy life. One of the ways that I've been using them a lot lately, so I've been using the greens powder and the electrolyte for my adrenal fatigue. Yay, fun times, love that. Through TikTok, I learned about adrenal cocktails and I started making them, and there's a couple different variations that I like to make. And I throw these in there for like added nutritional benefits. And then obviously we want to be balanced and hydrated. So electrolytes as well. It doesn't look the greatest, but it's pretty tasty, and once you start drinking this every day, it's pretty great. And if you want to pick these guys up or try their essential vitamins or their protein powders, just use code EDGYVEG. There's a link in the description box down below, and you get 15% off. I highly recommend. Very tasty. Thank you to Complement for sponsoring today's video. So the first step is the marinade. To be fair, across the board, one marinade for all of them is going to be used. So this is a combination of all the different bacon recipes that I have on my website. Water, olive oil, nutritional yeast, MSG, paprika, maple syrup, garlic powder, liquid smoke, tamari, or soy sauce. Now we're going to marinate all of the things, starting with the carrots. Daikon. And eggplant. So I would suggest marinating them for at least 15 minutes, but obviously the longer the better. So really the time frame is up to you. We don't necessarily need to marinate the tofu for the rice paper bacon, but we are going to season it. For the eggplant, I'm going to dehydrate them. I'm gonna start with that one first. So I have just a dehydrator. I'm gonna put it at like 110 for like 2 hours, 3 hours. See how that goes. Okay, for the carrots, we're gonna bake them. I feel like I could probably also dehydrate the daikon, but we're gonna try it in the oven. Actually, no we're not. We're gonna fry the daikon. We are frying the daikon. I'm a liar. You have seen me make rice paper bacon so many times. The marinade, brush it on the rice paper, add the tofu on top. This is what's going to give like almost like a fatty mouthfeel. And then this is going to be the top part. We want to get this nice and wet so that it gets soft and kind of like hugs the tofu here. And then slice it into bacon strips. Look at this disaster area. It's been a day and I'm pretty sure the oven fried my hair off because it was too hot, and probably my eyelashes. All right, so we have bacon 4 ways. Let's give them a try. So we've got the daikon. That's really good. This is my first time making daikon bacon. Oh shit, that's actually so good. And it does kind of look like bacon. All right, carrot. Mmm, it's crispy. That's really, really, really good too. They only had tiny carrots at the store, so next time they need to be a bit bigger. Now, let's do the dehydrated. This used to be my favorite way to make eggplant bacon. It's not like crispy in any way. It's more chewy, but it's so tasty. It's kind of like eating like a jerky. Also very good in sandwiches. All right, the holy grail. So the rice paper bacon is always the go-to. You can serve it like this. You can put it in sandwiches. You can crumple it on top of salads, however you want to eat your bacon. It's great. And if you want something with less like work, you can totally just like slice these into it. You don't have to do all of this, but because this has the chewy factor and the crunch factor, I think these are tied. I think the daikon and the rice paper are my favorite because the flavor here is so good and it's crispy and chewy. This is crispy and chewy. All right, if you want recipes for these, they are down there. Let me know which one is your favorite and if there's a different type of vegan bacon that you want me to try. We'll do another round of all the bacons. Okay, now get out of my kitchen because I'm tired. No, it's burning. It's burning. Love that for me.